How do I know what hole size my leak detector will find? Some leak detectors, such as those from ALPS, offer a built-in mechanism to test for reliability and hole size capability. But what if you do not have this available in your machines? You can create your own test with a test bottle. First, it is always ill-advised to physically poke holes in a bottle using just any sharp object. Depending on bottle temperature, material, and thickness, the hole will close up to some unknown size. An alternative method is to drill and tap a 1032 hole in the bottle and insert a calibrated orifice. Calibrated orifices come in a range of sizes, ensuring that you can challenge your machines to reject a specific hole size. Now you can run your test bottle through your machine multiple times. If you have a multiple station machine, it is important to challenge every station. Lastly, challenge your machine often. Test bottles are a simple, effective way to safeguard your inventory.